Alright guys, we are back at it at the drag strip. Red lit. Yeah, it spun a little bit on the leave and the shifts, but I didn't get a good enough burnout. I was trying a lighter burnout than I normally do to see how it do. Thank you. Yeah, I slowed down 632 at 116.01. We'll let her cool down. We'll get another run in. All right, here we go again. I'm gonna try not to red light. That felt good. That was a good leave. We both got good. Oh God. Whew. That is a bumpy ride right there. And we both left pretty good that time. Spun just a little out of the hole, but everything else felt good. Thank you. Yeah, 631 at 116.5. with a 15460, so it spun a little bit and kind of hurt me a little bit, but my mile per hour 116.5. so what did he run? 639 at 117.4 with a 160 60 foot. So I treat him just a little. Did you spin a little bit out of the hole? I did, just a little. Not bad though.
It's like the same as last time.
What?
Our times.
Yeah. 16060, 639, 631 with a 15460. That humidity is killing us tonight. All right guys, we got the ZL1. He said he's on full E85 now and he called me back out, so maybe it'll be a better run for him, and then we'll have some fun. I guess he slept on the tree or something. It's got a Magnuson cam, full E85. So I imagine if he slept on the tree, he's gonna want another run. So
I think you won.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
629 at 115.7. Slow down on mile per hour. 152 60 foot. I was hoping for a really good run.
Alright. I cut power and it went to performance shifting.
Alright.
No BS.
I got at you. Give about what, a 30-minute cool down, do it again.
How long?
30 minutes cool down, do it again.
That's fine.
All right, cool. Good race, good race. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah, good race. Thank you. 626 at 116.2, 152 60 foot with a 0.129 reaction. He had a point, hell yeah, he got me, 0.03. But he got a 150 60 foot at 644 at 114. I went 626 at 116. I beat him by 0.09, so almost a full tenth. He got me. He got me. Oh, hell yeah. All right. Thank you. 625 against 637. Oh, he actually did a real good tree. He treated me. He treated me every bit of that. And he got me on, he ran a 117.5 on mile per hour to my 116.76. I went a 623 against his 639. 152 60 foot. He got me. All right, we're gonna get one more run in, guys, with Daryl. I'm not gonna let him treat me. I just didn't want to rail out like I did the first run with him, so that's kind of where it held me up. But no excuses. Stop sleeping on the tree. Stop making sandwiches. I'm either gonna rail out or tree him. One or the other. All right, let's go. Red lit. I told you I was either going to tree him or red light though. Damn it. That's the thing about it, guys, on a bracket tree. To get a really good light, you have to leave just right to get the rollout and everything perfect to get a really good tree. Sometimes you red light, but it's all right though. Thank you. Yeah, I actually slowed down that pass. 630 with a 15260. 630 against 636. So if we were at the exact same time, I would have won, but I did red light. Damn it. All right, guys. So look, just so you know.
Stop.
No, I can't see it.
Down.
I
Just
can't
go
see
down.
it.